Yo guys, what's up? It's night today. It's night. This is our house. That is our house. This is the garage. You can look at the garage. So we're gonna go buy King. I wanna wear my hat. Yo, let's go. It's night. What time is it? Yo, what time is it? Oh, there's the time. It's 8:30 now, bro. Let's go biking. Here's my bike. I know how to one hand, so it will be okay. Oh, wait. Let's go. Let's go biking. Oh no, there's some poop. Oh, there's some poop. That's our dog, best friend. That's our dog. Oh, I didn't look. I didn't look, guys. That's so close. Yo, I gotta do some tricks. I'm gonna do some tricks. Here. See? Nope, not there. Here. Wait. Stop it! The basketball is annoying. Please. What is it? Please. That's all. Gonna do some tricks. Our farming. Oh! What's that? I'm gonna do it again. Yo, let's go! Let's go, bro! Yo, let's go! I did some tricks. There. I'm gonna know hands. I'm gonna do some no hands. Yahoo! Make sure you like and subscribe, or I will see my subscribers are only 27. Better subscribe. I'm gonna do it again, bro. This is best friend, our dog. Where's the black dog? Oh, sorry. We got the background, a building, and the house. So, see you in the next video. Yo guys, see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.